Well, for you guys that been following me on YouTube and all that, we are one of the Rockford Fosgate mega store here in the Valley in Fresno. So that's all we carry, Fosgate. So if you're looking for some sort of Fosgate product, whether it's your punch, marine, power, motorcycle, we got you covered. So let's see what is the installation of the day today. Here we are, this beautiful El Camino. This is what we took out of the El Camino. Mismatched woofers, good old Sony radio, and whatever that amplifier is, Boss audio systems. And these are the regular wires that they use. What we're doing, we are installing a custom-made enclosure, especially for this El Camino, which is perfectly well designed and made. Fosgate 6x9, Sony radio, all that is gonna go inside here. We're gonna custom fab that for the new radio. So the way we do it here, we take the seats out and we mount everything underneath the seat. Oh, let's see. Look at that, shaved doors. Definitely have to let the customer know that this is not acceptable. Look at this. That's a no-no. So we'll keep you updated with part number 2 during the install, and then part number 3 once it's already done in playing. So we're doing 4 6x9s, and also these door panels, we're gonna put some Harley Davidson motorcycle Fosgate speakers. ¿Todo bien, Victor? So we'll keep you posted. Good morning, Tyler.
Good morning, good morning.
Guess what? I'm blogging now on YouTube.
Oh, are you?
I
Nice.
found the software how to do it.
Oh, nice, nice,
You
nice.
just take a video and you just upload it.
Oh, nice. That makes it easy. No editing?
I'll try to make it short, 3 minutes.
Okay, nice, nice.
All right, guys. We'll keep you posted with part number 2 on that El Camino.